Hi guys, today we will learn how to blur face or object with motion tracking. At first, import your video to Filmora. Now drag and drop the imported video file to timeline. Now select the video file and click on the motion tracking option. Adjust the position of the selection box and click to start motion tracking. After the motion tracking process is completed, select Add a Mosaic option from the Link Element drop-down menu. You can choose any type of mosaic from the list. I use pixel blur to my video for demonstration. You can adjust the blur amount and opacity with the slider option. After the blur adjustment is completed, adjust the blur area with the selection box and check the result. So now the girl face is blurred in the video. You can add any image or emoji or object without blurring the face. Let's see how we can add any image file into the motion tracking area. Select the video and go to the drop-down menu of Link Element option and select the import from computer and select the object file from your computer. I select this girl face PNG file for this demonstration. Adjust the position of the PNG file with the selection box, and now let's check the result. So you can see that we are successfully hide the girl face with this PNG image with motion tracking. Thanks for watching the video. For more useful video like this, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.